Samthong Assembly Constituency Mla Nishikant has called on Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla and sought his intervention for safe release of Luwangthep Mukesh, who went missing on March 16. Speaking to media after coming out from Raj Bhavan, Nishikant asserted that the governor has informed him of making possible efforts which involves government officials and high level in finding the missing person. The Samthong MLA went on to maintain that he has urged the governor to utilize all available means and resources to locate Mukesh and safely hand over him to the family. Nishikant also asserted that he has spoken with Commander of 9 Sector Assam Rifles Brigadier A. Boral and Manipur DGP Rajiv Singh and inquired about the tasks relating to tracking and whereabouts of Mukesh before meeting with the governor. Mention may be made that Luwangthep Mukesh of Kaisampat Laimajam Laikai went missing on March 16 after he went out of his residence in a Suzuki Alto 800.
Governor di already updated ni adubu akhoigi tawam thokpa haibam thokpa adum yengjinbina ba hai but ngasi di numit trama thoi sure ma missing oi da Mukesh to ado moi so adum kana honari de at it ma se nukti gi DG na hai ba moi adum update lauri the DG so I something why sane ba ai kai no kai latest kai update lai governor da una da mana governor has been updated every day. He's being updated every day. Na hojik lei beso nahan dagi kem phangde gari su pura mang khare moi dum haiba aduna atai angle kai kai yeng don khangdre ki moi ngarian heba naga ta ba area do adudadi ma se cross to de because Assam Rifle kangmu moi su leima ne check post hai adu ma sungang lakte adagi police na ju moi su check post le adu sungang lakte haiba si section na yeng bi yeng khang khang ya to akhoi myam se mama pa se yam ware everybody is going through anxiety moi distress am lai re aduna thuna ngamna ba aduma dum honani dum haiba